Hello guys, welcome to iSpecss. In this video, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of this Zoom H1n handy recorder and also taking a quick look at it. Before getting started, please subscribe to this channel for informative tech videos. This is the package which the Zoom H1n comes with, and the box quality is good. Opening up the box, we will first see lots of papers which are warranty information, user guide, Cubase and Wavelab activation codes, and then we will get to see a pair of AAA size alkaline batteries. After that, the handy recorder. Coming to the design of this recorder, at the top it has a stereo mic setup. At the front, it has a mic input leveler knob, 1.2-inch monochrome LCD display, a recorder button, a tiny speaker and some other quick access buttons. At the back, there is a battery cover and a port to attach this mic to a tripod. At the left, there is a 3.5mm line out for headphones and volume controller buttons. And at the right is a 3.5mm line in for external mic, a micro SD card port, a delete button, a power button, a micro USB port for file transfer and to power this recorder. Yes, it can also be used without batteries by connecting it to a 5V and 1A power brick or computer, and also you can record directly from your PC, Mac and iOS devices. Quality of the audio recorded through this mic is very nice with both MP3 and WAV audio formats. WAV is always better for voice recordings because the final audio won't compress. If you are a beginner and want to buy a recorder, I would highly recommend you this mic. Price of this mic is 5,900 Indian rupees on Amazon, and I got it for 5,100 rupees with all the offers on Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. And it's best buy for the buck. Link to buy this recorder is in the description below. Check it if you want to buy this. Hope you like this video, and if you do, hit the like button below. Share this video to any of your friends and family if they are planning to buy a mic. Finally, please subscribe to this channel for more informative tech videos and also turn on the notification to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.